everyone, today we're covering 4 powerful tools from Python itertools module to supercharge how you filter data. Filterfalse, compress, dropwhile, and takewhile. Let's code. Number 1. Filterfalse. We all know the standard filter which keeps elements that meet a condition. The output like this. Let's run. Okay. Filterfalse does the exact opposite. It keeps elements where the condition is false, saving you from writing messy negative logic. Okay. The output like this. Number 2, compress. Compress filter a list using a parallel list of Boolean flags or masks. 1 or true keeps the item, 0 or false drops it. The output like this. As you can see, excuse me, you can easily pair this with the random module to create dynamic randomized selections. Excuse me. Okay, let's run and print. Number 3, dropwhile and takewhile. Finally, these two functions filter data based on sequential order, stopping the moment a condition changes. Dropwhile deletes elements as long as the condition is true. Once it hits the first false value, it stops dropping and keeps everything else. The output like this. Okay, let's run. As you can see, takewhile does the opposite. It keeps elements as long as the condition is true and completely shuts down at the first false value. Let's print output like this and run. As you can see, they are perfect complements, splitting your data right at the threshold boundary. And that's it for clean, fast ways to process sequential data in Python. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.